Lawyers, this video is how to utilize social media, your free business page, to get cases. Hi, I'm Mary Cary at GoMedia Marketing and Productions, legal marketing specialist in California. So, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, they're all social media. They have a free business page and they have paid advertising. Many law firms have a free social media business page, but how do you get cases with your free social media pages? Here's my tip. 80% of your social media posts should inform, educate, and entertain your audience. But stay in your lane. Always keep it focused on what you do from the point of view of your potential client or someone interested in working with you. Here's some inspiration. True crime is a hugely popular topic right now. And even if that's not your practice area, think about what would entertain people. And the other 20% of your posts should directly promote your law firm with a clear call to action to contact you if they need your help. We build law practices like yours, and we have for over 1 million years. Well, it feels that long. Sign up now for a webinar or an in-house training where we have the time to do a deep dive and go step by step on these subjects. Or if you want us to get your marketing together and do it for you, we can do that too. Oh, I almost forgot. Please like our page, thumbs up, subscribe, get notified, friend us, click, chat, fill out the form, leave a comment, get on our email list. Oh my gosh, you know what I'm trying to say. If you think our content is helpful, stay connected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.